Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript Shorthand techniques. Today we are going to learn about the Nullish Coalescing operator. So let's get started. In this, first of all, when we have a null or undefined, so what we are doing, if it is null or undefined, then print result x, else set the result x default. So how we are going to shorthand this technique? Okay, so we have the shorthand operator that we can use. So let's have a look on that. So let me copy this one. So let's go to the Chrome, and here you can see that by default result is x is undefined. So let define the x. If we define let x result, and here we can also write okay result comma x declaration. Give me a second, reload this one. Okay, so here you can see that when x equal to null, x is not defined, result what the value of x comes to the result, else result by default. So how we are going to shorten this? Very easy. So we will do what, we have the short method here. So let's add this one, result if x, it checks whether it's to be a null, whether it's to be undefined. If it is, else take a value of the default. If it's there, okay, then take the value of that one, else it will take the value of default. Okay, so whenever you want to check whether it's to be a null, undefined or empty, just add this one with this operator. Okay, and if it is there, then it will take the value of x, else default, rather than writing this lines of code, right? So one, two, three, four, 5 lines of code converted into one line of code. So that is the better option, right? So whenever you want to check such kind of things, null or undefined or empty, just use this one. And if you want to set the default value, then you can do that way. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.